Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can display the list of all database commands using the listCommands method. So to display the list of commands, use db.listCommands method. That's it, and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see all the commands are visible here in alphabetical order, like the update command to update documents, update role to update a user role, update user command. In the same way, all the list is visible here. These are the commands. With that, the description of the command is also visible. You can see all of them here. Like host info, insert command to insert documents. So guys, in this video we saw how we can display the list of commands using the listCommands method, db.listCommands method. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.